Hey, what's going on, guys? If your TV remote is acting up, whether the power button is dead or certain keys just aren't responding, don't toss it in the trash just yet. I'm going to show you a simple, hard reset that fixes about 50 to 67% of remote issues in under 2 minutes. This process is incredibly straightforward. First, go ahead and remove the batteries. It might sound a bit unconventional, but this method has saved countless remotes. Once the batteries are out, we're ready for the next step. Find the power button and hold it down for around 30 seconds. Don't let go. What we're doing here is an electrical discharge. This clears out any residual power left in the capacitors that might be causing the remote's internal software to glitch out. Now, while the batteries are still out, I want you to press every single button on the remote multiple times. Sometimes, dust, lint, or even a spill from a soda or coffee can cause the internal contact pads to stick. Go through every button, volume, channel, menu, and give them a thorough workout. You can even give the remote a few firm taps against your palm to help loosen up any debris trapped inside. Now let's put the batteries back in. Don't worry about the cover just yet. Let's test it first. Fire up your TV and see if it's back to normal. If it isn't working on the first try, don't give up. Sometimes it takes 3 to 5 rounds of this process to fully clear the charge and unstick the buttons. If you're still having issues after trying this, your batteries might just be drained. Grab a fresh pair, try again, and that should take care of it. If this brought your remote back to life, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me know these tips are working for you. If it didn't work, let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.